Hello, my name is Elizabeth Terrio, the Manufacturing Engineering Manager at nVent SCHROFF. Here in San Diego, we specialize in mechanical components and enclosures that retain and cool printed circuit boards often found in aerospace or defense applications. All of our Calmark and Bircher products are manufactured in this 55,000 square foot facility, which is ITAR compliant and AS9100 certified. While we'll focus on our manufacturing capabilities today, you should also know that we have a team of design, thermal, manufacturing, and quality engineers, as well as project managers and customer service representatives that work at this facility to ensure our products and services exceed expectations. The large majority of our products start with the aluminum extrusions shown. These are used to manufacture our card locks, lever locks, wedge tainers, and extractors. All material received into the building is tagged with the slot number, which is then recorded on individual work orders. This allows us to maintain lot traceability from the mill all the way to the end product. Per the work order, the extrusions are pulled and delivered to Sawland. We have 7 saws in-house, capable of cutting over 40,000 pieces each day. Once subcomponents are cut, they're then tumbled and delivered to kitting or a secondary operation. Whenever possible, we've implemented automation, which increases our throughput and adds mistake proofing to improve our quality. We have over 20 CNCs, which are used across a variety of product lines, including our conduction-cooled assemblies and small form factor enclosures. We also design and machine fixtures internally to reduce lead time and maintain tight tolerances. Here's an example of our conduction-cooled assemblies in process. Before we continue, let's talk about lean manufacturing. Lean is a journey for us, and we are always seeking ways to reduce waste, continuously improve, and standardize in order to bring value to our customers. Here we have our Gemba boards. At the beginning of each day, senior management will meet with each lead to go over the area to discuss any safety issues, the daily demand, or if there are any quality or maintenance issues. This daily tag-up keeps orders on track and on time. On the topic of quality, this is our fabrication quality area. For simple parts, we use our instant measurement system. All green, all good. For more complex parts, an inspection will be completed using our coordinate measuring machine, which provides high resolution, repeatability, and accuracy measurements. For each work order, the operator will complete a full inspection of the first 5 off the line and then continuously confirm quality throughout the order. The results are recorded and stored with each work order. From the fabrication area, all of our aluminum components come together here for outside processing. We have multiple vendors we work with, including NADCAP certified plating houses. All of our vendors can provide chemical and physical certifications as required by the customer. On site, we also have fully automated screw machines and a passivation unit. We manufacture and then passivate the majority of our custom screws in-house. This control over our subcomponents allows us to improve our lead time, as well as expedite jobs as needed. This is our incoming inspection and kitting area. Once received, the subcomponents are inspected and then kitted by work order. We can offer both DFARs and non-DFARs as required. As with the extrusions, we will record which subcomponents come from which lot to maintain traceability. Once kitted, card locks, lever locks, and wedge tainers will head to our assembly area. This is where everything comes together. The assembly is then ready to be marked with the date code and other key identifiers. Customers also have the option of either silk screening or marking with a low outgassing ink, which is commonly required for space applications. What you've seen so far is the manufacturing of our card lock line. We also offer a range of form component, including PCB tainers and extractors for less rugged applications. For these products, we use hydraulic presses to press beryllium copper or aluminum. They then go on to be surface treated just like our card locks and conduction cooled assemblies. Once all the components have been assembled, marked, and bagged, they'll come to final inspection. Here our inspector will verify the quality of the final product and gather the required certifications. On site, we can also perform first article inspections in accordance with AS9102 standards. After inspection, the parts are moved over to our shipping department and go out to the customer. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions or you would like to learn more about how we can help you connect and protect your electronic systems, please visit us online at schroff.nvent.com.